Hey everyone, and welcome back to my crafting diary. If you've been tuned in, I am planning a birthday party. I haven't done this in so long. I am so excited. It's a Princess and the Frog. So I have a couple videos like day one, day two, just the prep of it all. So you're gonna basically be seeing me get these centerpieces together, and then some other things, and then I have some shipments coming in for the balloons and stuff of that nature. So once that come in, I can show you guys what I got. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright, so right here I got my stick, I got my images. I also cut those out on my Cricut. I printed those out and then just used some glitter glue to make it kind of sparkle a little bit. And then that is a 6x6 paper, and then this is a top to a box that I had laying around the house. So I decided to use that as the base of the centerpiece, and then just use my imagination to decorate.
Perfect.